All right, all right, all right. I kind of feel like it was a McConaughey kind of day. I wanted to sort of start, well, that kind of rhymed a little. It was a McConaughey kind of day. I kind of wanted to start with a little Dazed and Confused today. Today we're going to be making a drink called a Breakfast Martini. This is actually something that somebody just randomly texted me today, and I was like, all right, I'll do that. That's great. All right, so it was created by a guy named Salvatore Calabrese, who worked at a bar called Library Bar in London. It was created in 1997. And basically, he created this because he's just really fond of English marmalade. Now, I didn't have access to English marmalade, so we're using French marmalade. Don't kill me. All right, so first thing we're going to do is a scant 1.5 ounces of gin. Well, it's like scant 1 3/4 ounces. My bad. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of orange curacao. And we're going to do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. And then we're going to do 1 heaping bar spoon of marmalade. I mean, is that too heaping?
Yeah, that's a lot.
I mean, it said heaping, and when something says heaping, I think it means heaping. You know what, though, buddy? We're just the picture of people being prepared for our jobs today. So I'm going to add our ice to my tin. But because this has marmalade in it, you're definitely going to want a fine strainer. Add the cocktail, give it a nice shake. All right, that was a pretty good shake. I kind of feel like I was grimacing during that shake, though. I want to go to the gym that Steve the bartender goes to because I just don't understand how he so effortlessly shakes. I feel like it's a lot of effort for me to really shake, you know. And then we're gonna pour into our glass, double straining to get the bits out. Now this drink is going to be a lot like a Daisy, you know, in that doesn't have any simple syrup or straight sugar content. The sugar is coming from the curacao a little bit and the marmalade a little bit, and that's it. There's going to be a bit tart on the finish.
Marmalade is basically sugar with some orange in it.
That's true. I guess, yeah, I mean, that's true, but it's not like using straight up sugar syrup. We're going to give it a little twist. I think we're going to give this a little cut. How should we do this, Marius? Should we do one of these guys? Or should we do just lay it on the top? I feel like we do the lay on the top a lot. All right, let's do a little. Let's cut it. And do a little twisty pants. I'm gonna start doing some new stuff with peels, though. I'm gonna start learning some new peels. Ooh. Ooh, very breakfasty. That is fantastic.
What do you mean breakfasty?
Well, it's just light and dry, and it's kind of citrusy, and it kind of reminds me a bit of a spritz. I could actually put this in a glass and put some ice in it and put some soda in it and lengthen it and just be a good brunchy. It just tastes like brunch. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like Easter brunch, actually. You know, you're having Easter brunch. You go out with the family at a hotel or something. You ask for a nice, light, dry gin cocktail. They bring you a breakfast martini. It's wonderful. You got that nice orange zest on top of it, and then the orange marmalade actually produces quite enough sugar for this drink. Perfectly balanced out with the orange curacao and the lemon juice. It's tart and dry, but it also has enough sugar that balances it. But not to the point where it's fully sweetened. It still has a nice dryness to it, but you feel that sugar in there. And then you have the botanicals of the gin and the dryness of the gin just kind of filling the flavor profile throughout. It's a beautiful cocktail. It's wonderful. I like it a lot. It's really good. This is a fantastic cocktail. I can see why this became a modern classic. You know, I can see why people were I'm going to have that like all the time. And then people are like, I'm putting that on my menu. Absolutely. So there you have it. The breakfast cocktail by Salvatore Calabrese.
This is the breakfast cocktail or the breakfast martini?
Sorry, the breakfast martini. All right, if you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. And I don't know, check us out on our YouTube memberships. And we've got a virtual bottle program at theeducatedbarfly.com. So check that out as well. And I don't know, we've got some shirts on Teesprings, and I'll see you on another time.